Hi, hello out there. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy that you're here. If you're new, hello to you from me. If you haven't yet subscribed, why not? Like, go ahead and do that now. And while you're there, make sure you turn on your notifications so you will know when I upload a video. So yeah, let's get right into it, you guys. I did not do a whole look today, and the reason for that is because I feel like when I do a whole look, it slows me down on making my videos and getting them out on the week. So I've decided that I'm going to break my tutorials up, and I'm going to focus on one thing, like if I'm doing eyes, if I'm doing foundation, if I'm doing lips, because that way I can get way more videos out to you guys. So with that being said, today we're going to focus on the eyes. And I'm going to be using this palette that I found on Instagram. I'm sure everybody has seen this palette. It's absolutely freaking gorgeous. Like, look at this. I mean, it's just gorgeous, I don't understand. I'm just going to swatch a few colors just to show you the color payoff. And this one that I'm swatching is called Amber. Let's start right here. Look at that. Like, it's so bomb. This is Jasmine. Oh my gosh. Let's do another one. This is called Starry Night. This metallic shimmer. I just like everything. The one that's on my eye is called Rose. And I am just absolutely loving it. Like, it's so bomb. Like, look at those colors. Back up just a little bit. Yeah, like, they're popping, they lit. I got a few more I want to swatch on here. This one is called Manuka. Manuka. Okay, let's see what Manuka has to offer. This is Manuka. Ooh, Manuka's gorgeous. I am dying to get into this blue. So let's see how it swatches. I didn't use it tonight, the blue, but I will be back with another video, probably this week, because it's so many looks you can do. But let me go ahead and swatch this blue real quick. Oh, look at the blue. Let's go over here. Oh my God. Yeah, that's going to be everything. Excuse my SHFO. But these are just a couple of swatches, you guys. And listen, it's popping. This look is very simple, but it's getting the job done. You know what I'm saying? I absolutely love it so far. So, if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Like, I would really, really appreciate that. If you just keep on watching, keep on supporting me, continue to share, like, comment, like, all of that good stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. As I mentioned, I use a new palette that I found on Instagram. Right here, the Ace Beauty, the Quintessential Palette. I think I'm saying it right. I hope I'm saying it right. Y'all know Def. We messed it up. And it has like a hyphen of a beauty. So I don't know if it's Beaute. Because it's B-E-A-U-T-E. Hyphen. Beaute. Or Beauty. I don't know. Well, anyway, I'm so excited about this palette. Because it was just so gorgeous. Let me pull it on out so you guys can know which one I'm talking about. This is right here. It's so freaking pretty. Just the packaging is everything. Alright. And these are the color, my children. Look at those colors. Look at how big those pans are. Isn't it just beautiful? I don't know what kind of look I'm going to do, but I'm going to do some look. I'm going to go in with a blending brush from MORPHE, and this is the number M441. Let's see what I'm going to do here. Let's go in with NUTMEG. It's such a warm brown. Now, the only thing I don't like, it doesn't come with a mirror. As big as this is, it should have had a mirror on it, huh? I know, right? But I got my mirror right here, so turn my little stuff to the side. And let's get this color in our crease, baby. Y'all see it? It's a very subtle color, but nevertheless, it's there. Alright, just gonna darken it up a little bit, and I'm gonna go in with cinnamon, using the same brush, same brown. It does have a little fallout. Okay, so let's go ahead and get some intensity in here. Let's go in with the Rosewood. Add some definition. Rosewood. I think I'm liking this Rosewood color. And that's this color right here. So using the same brush. We don't have to switch it up. All of it going in the same place. So now we're going to put our lid color on. And I'm thinking of using either berry or rose. I think I'm going to go in with rose. And rose is this color right here. It's so pretty. Yeah, I like rose. Ooh, excellent color payoff. Pretty. Okay, I'm going to take my liner and I'm going to put it in my waterline. We're going to go down to the lash line and we're going to go back in the palette and I'm going to go with Rosewood right here. I'm going to blend that out. Okay, I'm still not getting that popping effect that I want from this look. So I'm going to go in with this black just to darken it up just a little bit. It ain't just popping for me like I need it to. So I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and I'm going to go in with NEROLI. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm just going to darken up the crease just a smidge. Okay, now I'm just going to do something crazy here, and I'm going to add, let's see, what color do I want to add? Berry. I'm going to add berry, this one, to the top part of my lid. I mean, why not? Oh, yeah. I definitely like that. The brush I had before, just a cleaning brush. Lighten up that brow bone a little bit. This is the color Nutmeg. Alright, I think we just add our lashes and it's going to bring this look right on together. Okay. And she's back. Now, let's add some more highlight. And of course, I'm going in with my new love. And this is my Ambrezi, my Anastasia Beverly Hills. Put a little bit over my lip. Okay. And I'm going in with Notion by ColourPop. This is it, you guys. This is the final look. What y'all think? This is it. This is the final look. I like it. I'm not really a pink girl, but you know, I want to put a little save. But I'm definitely going to come back and do another look with this palette because there's just so many gorgeous colors in here for me not to. I want to use an inner eye color, and I'm going to go in with Starry Night. Looks so pretty. Take it back still. Starry Night, like a silver, purple color. More silver than purple. But I just want to take that, just a little bit of it, and put it right here in my, oh yeah, that's what I wanted to do. Oh yeah. Whatever it just did, that's exactly what I wanted it to do. I have no words for it. That's it. I'll highlight the other brow bone. The other brow bone. I know it. And while we at it, let's go ahead and highlight that brow bone. Okay, it's popping. Yeah, that's it. We lit. We ready. If you like this look, please, 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 if you like this, do not forget to share it. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. Because the people shall know that monk has arrived. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.